How to review Apple ID. So if you want to fix this Apple ID has not been used when in the iTunes store, then to fix this problem, you need to first complete your Apple ID, because if you've not completed your Apple ID, you may face this kind of problem. So if you're receiving something like this Apple ID has not yet been used in the iTunes store, then you will get two options. One is to cancel and the other one is to review. So you need to go with the review section, and once you tap on review, it will take you to complete your Apple ID. Under that, you need to go with your location, you need to agree to the terms and conditions, you need to go with your payment method. You can add your payment like credit or your debit card, and then you need to enter your name, your surname, your personal information, your billing address. You need to just complete your Apple ID, because once you've completed, then you will not face this kind of problem. Without creating your Apple ID or without completing your Apple ID, without signing in, you won't be able to use your Apple ID. So first complete your Apple ID, and then you'll be able to use it on your iTunes store. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.